are going to be running true counter Trey with Tate Ratledge and Xavier Truss right here. So they're going to be pulling left, and they should be kicking out what shows outside of Oscar Delp's rear end, which is probably the play side backer walking up. It's kind of an odd defensive front here. You want to watch a play side linebacker that's over Tate, watching how you pull for a guard. This is a great job of a scrape for Cloudy Clear. He sees Tate pull. He's moving over the top of a double team, which is where he should go. As he misses him, and then Truss comes in behind him, it ends up getting blocked correctly anyway, but they end up switching roles, and then the counter still works. So that is a counter Trey that's not blocked to perfection, but yet still has success because play side blocks down. You've got Michael Morris blocking down on the shade. You got Van Frank Granger blocking out on the 3. The guard misses the flathead, ends up blocking Truss guy, and Truss blocks Ratledge guy.